Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to see how laptops are made. Subscribe ahead of time.
Welcome back to the factory floor. As you can see, the team here is busy ensuring only the purest raw minerals make it to the next stage.
Right here, the robotic arms are injecting materials directly into the molten silicon. It's an incredible display of precision engineering.
The machinery performs rapid, synchronized polishing to prepare the hardware surfaces for the next stage of production. The system uses intense plasma to carve out the exposed silicon, etching the pathways into stone. The advanced mapping software communicates directly with the robotics to categorize the viable dyes for extraction. The delicate silicon is finally separated into individual brains using an ultra-fine, water-cooled blade to prevent fracturing.
The machine meticulously removes any excess plastic from the encapsulation process to ensure perfect dimensions.
The laser system permanently etches vital identification numbers onto the chip's casing for tracking and quality control.
And here we can see the GPU lithography in action, a critical step in creating the graphics processor. Here the GPU components receive their final layer of protective shielding. This black liquid resin ensures they can withstand the intense heat.
Thermal stability is solid, but look at the clock fluctuation here. Hey,
It's within tolerance.
the final memory check just passed.
The lithography machine precisely exposes the high-density architecture required for fast random access memory.
And here we have the finished product.
Inside this glowing chamber, the robotic deposition system precisely sprays layers onto the circuit boards. The robotic arms precisely place the gold RAM dies onto the circuit board matrix, a process known as RAM bonding. Here's where the protective resin comes in. We heavily coat the memory circuits to safeguard them during the packaging stage.
The flash memory architecture is printed using precise light exposures.
The storage pathways are permanently etched into the silicon. And this is where the magic happens, the NAND stacking. These robotic arms precisely align multiple layers, multiplying the storage capacity.
This protective resin layer is crucial, shielding the data banks from the elements.
Ensuring every unit is perfectly encased for maximum durability.
The automated tester verifies the integrity of the flash memory, ensuring no corrupt storage makes it to the final build. The foundational layers of the laptop's main nervous system begin their long journey down the production line. The intricate map of the motherboard's circuits is projected onto the copper using advanced light technology. Harsh chemicals dissolve away the unneeded copper, leaving only the complex network of vital electrical pathways.
The drilled boards take another chemical bath to plate the newly created microscopic holes with highly conductive material.
This is where a precise layer of white ink is applied through the silkscreen directly onto the PCB, ensuring every label is perfectly placed for the final assembly stage.
Check the alignment on this trace. That's definitely off spec.
Right here, the solder paste is printed onto the board, perfectly setting up the next stage of assembly.
These SMT machines place thousands of components an hour with pinpoint accuracy.
And that's how we achieve such high density in our designs. Join us next time.
The circuit board enters the reflow oven now. The heat will seamlessly fuse these components into place without any human interaction. The precision robotics take over the tedious task of inserting larger through-hole components, ensuring perfect alignment.
The high-speed assembly continues as the automated arms attach these crucial controlling chips to the motherboard.
E-audio contains speech from a man and a woman in an energetic and professional tone amidst the sounds of a modern factory.
Here's where the magic happens. Advanced thermal techniques bond the graphics processor right to the mainboard using these tiny hidden solder spheres. The machinery snaps the memory expansion slots into place, completing the physical architecture for the laptop's memory.
The intense heat permanently fastens the external ports, ensuring they can withstand repeated human use over the laptop's lifetime.
The automated iron solders the power delivery system, a critical step for battery management and system stability.
We call this the audio circuitry. These densely packed capacitors are key to ensuring crystal clear sound quality on the new laptop.
The precision of these automated systems ensures every keyboard meets the highest standards before moving to the next phase of assembly. As the circuit boards move along the conveyor, they enter the automated testing phase.
The optical inspection ensures quality control before final assembly. Here, the assembled motherboards are pushed to their thermal and electrical limits in a stressful burn-in test to weed out early failures.
Right here, we see the lasers begin the physical construction of the laptop's exterior shell. Look at that precision.
The machine punches threaded screw posts directly into the chassis, creating mounting points for the motherboard. In this ultra-modern facility, robotics handle the most delicate procedures, ensuring a flawless camera aperture. Next up is anodizing. We use this bath to create that signature, durable, and corrosion-resistant surface you see. This is where the magic happens. The hinge assembly requires incredible precision, handled by our skilled technicians right here in the clean room.
The massive rollers combine the critical lithium and separator layers that store the laptop's power. The machine securely crimps the edges of the battery pouch to prevent any dangerous chemical leaks.
The machine traces the edges of the display to apply a light-blocking seal, ensuring the screen's image is perfectly framed. The automated dispenser applies thermal paste to ensure heat transfers efficiently from the CPU to the cooling system. And here's the critical moment, the processor being carefully placed into the motherboard socket by our skilled technicians. The technician snaps the memory sticks into place, giving the computer the ability to run multiple programs. The tiny wireless communication module is delicately installed with tweezers to connect the laptop to the world. Now the motherboard is carefully lowered into the chassis. Watch the precision as the electric screwdriver rapidly tightens the screws. In our state-of-the-art facility, human expertise guides the delicate process of cable routing.
The glass touchpad is fastened into the frame, providing the user with tactile control.
And here you can see the main power cable being connected, giving this laptop access to its massive battery reserves.
And there it is, the very first boot sequence. Look at that code fly by as the BIOS initiates the system. It's alive. This server array handles the entire fleet simultaneously, flashing the OS onto thousands of units an hour.
And just like that, they're ready for quality control.
We are pushing this laptop to its absolute thermal limit, ensuring the cooling performance meets our rigorous standards. The chassis durability is verified by mercilessly dropping a finished unit repeatedly onto solid steel. These environmental chambers expose the laptops to freezing temperatures and high condensation, simulating extreme climates. But before packing, every single device undergoes a rigorous final inspection by our expert team members like Jamila here. Here you can see the power supplies and charging cables being meticulously organized into the retail packaging trays before moving down the line. The finished laptops are rapidly moved down the conveyor belt, where they are boxed and sealed. Automated systems then apply precise labeling before shipment.
Subscribe for more.